Hello and welcome to the Graphic Design online course. Thank you so much for joining us today. In this course, you will get to know how to design almost any graphics without Photoshop. Together, we will look at how to design logos, social media posts. So if you're on Facebook Marketing or Instagram, you can design those graphical posts, perhaps infographics for Pinterest. As you know, stunning graphics are crucial for social media. YouTube thumbnails are also graphics. If you have a channel on YouTube, you should know that a good thumbnail increases click-through rate. It makes people want to click on your YouTube video. CVs can be graphical nowadays. If you want to have a different type of CV, a creative resume or impressive resume, then you will be able to create such CVs. Book covers. If you're an aspiring author, you can also design your own book covers. Even if you own a restaurant, then you can design a menu, posters, brochures, Facebook ads, and many more designs. In this course, we will be using Canva to create all these graphics. Canva is a graphic design app which is totally free. You don't need to pay anything for basic plan. There is a paid version as well. However, you will be perfectly fine with free version, so you don't need to pay anything. No designer experience is needed with Canva, and you don't need to know Photoshop or anything like Adobe. There's no experience required at all. This platform is perfect for newbies, and it's very easy to get started with plenty of templates available for any occasion. So this means you don't need to start from scratch because there are already existing templates and you don't need to install any software onto your computer because this is a web-based app. So all you need to do is have your internet access and your desktop or laptop. That's all you need. And of course, you need a desire to be a creative designer. And that is, have inspirations and ideas. So now, let's have a look at Canva. So in Google, type in Canva and then click onto Sign Up. Here are the options for you. If you're a teacher or student, there is Canva for education or small business. You perhaps run a charity, or it's going to be a personal account? You can just choose personal, like so, and then you can choose to sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account. For example, let's sign up with Facebook here. Let's just click that and then click continue like so. And now just wait for a while, as it's still signing up via Facebook. Okay, so now we're all set and signed up with Canva. Next, you can choose this artist option, or you can choose a blogger, a business owner. So for example, I just use a blogger, and then it says invite your team and collaborate on design. You can just skip that, but if you have any team member working for you, then you can invite them, but I'll just skip that for now. So now you'll be able to choose templates to create designs, and there are more design types available on Canva. So let's just click that. Okay, so now welcome to Canva.